Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the setup process for using the RFX wireless system from Thermoworks, both with and without the Billows attachment. Don't make the same mistake I did when setting mine up. Trust me, it'll save you a lot of frustration. If the RFX system interests you, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can grab your very own. Hey, by clicking on those links, you've directly supported my channel, so thank you in advance. For those of you who are new to the channel, let me introduce to you the RFX wireless system from Thermoworks. This setup is a game changer for monitoring both the internal temperature of your meat and the ambient temperature inside your smoker. The best part, the internal meat probe is completely wireless. When you purchase an RFX system, you will get the gateway, at least one RFX wireless meat probe, and a 5-volt power supply. This setup works perfectly if you're just using the wireless probes to monitor your meat, but things get a bit more involved when you introduce the Billows attachment. Now let's talk about the setup when you add the Billows. You'll need the gateway, at least one meat probe, the Billows fan attachment, and the ambient temperature probe. Here's where I made my mistake the first time I tried setting up this system. I used the 5-volt power supply that came with the gateway to power the Billows. Now that was a big mistake. The Billow requires more power to operate effectively, so you'll need to use a 12-volt power supply that comes with your Billows. You'll also need a power splitter to connect everything together. Now here's a screenshot of my first smoke with the wrong power setup. The dotted line shows the temp I set the smoker, but as you can see, the actual temperature never even came close. After over 5 hours, it was still a total fail. But as soon as I swapped in the Billows 12-volt power supply, the smoker hit temp with no issues. So I hope this saves you some headaches during your setup. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more barbecue tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.